Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tips. Today we will be discussing how to clear your Safari web browser history on your Mac. It's super easy, so let's get right to it. First things first, you need to open your Safari web browser. Once you've got Safari open, look for the History tab at the very top of your screen. Click on that. Clicking on History will bring up your history settings, including specific dates of your browsing history. Now what you're looking for is the Clear History button at the very bottom of the drop-down menu. Click on that. A little pop-up box will appear. This box is just letting you know that you're about to clear your browsing history, including all those related cookies and other website data. So make sure you're ready for that. Now, click on the drop-down box next to Clear, and select how far back you want to clear your history. You have options like the last hour, today and yesterday, and of course, all history. Choose whatever suits your needs. Once you've made your selection, just click on the Clear History button. Just bear in mind that once you clear your history, it's gone. It's permanent and unrecoverable. So make sure you're certain before you click. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your Safari history on your Mac. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Thanks for watching Roam Tips.